Hello guys, welcome back to Drone Legend. Today we're back with another brand new drone flight. Today we are in Victoria Park in East London. I'm going to just crack on with this drone flight. I'm going to zip around. See, it wasn't the weather I was expecting because it was sunny earlier, but then as I came here it got cloudy, overcast, and now there's clouds all over the place. Hope birds are not coming too close to the drone. Nope, it's not. What I'm going to do, we're going to go to the max height and we're going to do 360 photo like we usually do. Alright, let's continue. I'm gonna put decent like off for now because it kind of looks flat even when I put LUTs on. So I'm gonna turn it off and put it back in normal mode. We're going to go ahead. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna get a shot of this building. So there's a little bit of wind, but it's not too bad. So let's go. Let's descend a little bit. We're gonna go down. Look at that shot, it's insane, isn't it? I'm gonna keep going towards that. I'm gonna stop there. That was a sick shot. We're gonna go a little bit higher. We're gonna go towards this little building over here. We're gonna see what's around this red thing. So as you can see, it's good to get a nice shot of that. Even though it's cloudy, we can still get good shots. And I can see lights coming from it. And over here we've got a canal as well. Get a shot of that canal, we can see this area down here. Above the tree line, we'll go a little bit higher. Look at that. That's towards Hackney Wick side. We're gonna come back to the park. We're gonna explore more. We're gonna explore more of the park, or the city around, the roads around it, which is better. So as you can see, we've got this area down there. We're going to explore that. We're going to go straight down. So we're on the other side of the park. Alright, let's turn back. Look at that, we've got a nice shot of the Stratford. So as you can see, we've got a tennis ground over here as well. Get a bit shot of that. So usually I take the drone out when it's sunny, but for once it's cloudy. Well, it got cloudy. It was sunny when I banged the drone out when I came out. I planned to fly it in the sunshine, but the sunshine's gone. So we've got a little garden over here, as you can see. We'll get a little bit shot of that. You know, let's just head back. I want to find a different spot to fly at. So you can see we've got a nice lake over here as well. We've got whatever these are. What we can do, we can go to the next area, which is down here. We'll go towards this building over here. So what's happening down here, as you can see, there's a lot happening down here. Get a little bit shot of that. And we'll go ahead. It's kind of going down. Look at that blue tent over there. Really interesting. I'm not sure what that is, but I guess we'll find out when we go close to it. Got this nice place over here. Look at that. We'll go towards this building over here and get a shot of that. And then what we're going to do now, we're going to just get a parallax shot of London skyline. Oh, it's seriously windy now. We're going to come back in tailwind anyway. I was going out in headwind, so I don't have problems coming back. So now the wind's basically pushing the drone. It's better to go this way actually. The wind is pushing the drone back towards me, so if I go the other way then it's going to struggle coming back. I'm just going to go straight down. It's such a shame, like it was not even that windy today. The weather just changes so suddenly. Let's see what's below us. You can see the area down there below us. See, I was flying here earlier this year in March, and yeah, now I'm here in August, but unfortunately it's cloudy. It was cloudy in that drone flight and it's cloudy in this drone flight as well, so both my drone flights cloudy. Alright, let's head back. See, we're coming back a bit slower, but it's not that much of a problem. So yeah, we should be fine. But we're gonna now get a sideways shot of the main area. Just keep going down. Towards this little area. I wonder what that area is called. If we do have problems coming back, which we probably won't have. Yeah, we won't really have problems coming back, so it's not really much of an issue. But because the wind's not that strong today, if the wind was really strong, then it would be an issue. But I'm gonna get a sideways shot of this area. Get a sideways shot of Stratford. So we've got a train below us. Look at that. That's actually amazing. So we're coming back a little bit slower now. So it's going to keep going that way. I don't know what else we can get shots of now. What we can do, we can just get a shot of the road over here. So we're going to get a shot of this area is called Hackney Wick. We can go a little bit towards down here. So it looks like it's developing a lot. There's a lot of cranes and stuff there. Now we'll go check out the other way. And then we've got the other side of the road. It goes down here. It's quite strong wind. Yeah, and the sun did not come back once, so unfortunately this will be a cloudy drone flight. I wish the sun would come out once in this drone flight, but it didn't. Although it was sunny most of the day. Get a shot of the overground. We'll get a low down shot of the road as we come back. Should have done that before, but it's it's a bit of a windy flight as well. So it looks like it's developing a lot, this area, Hackney Wick. We'll see what it looks like in 10 years' time. This video will be like a timeline, so in some years you'll be looking at this video and it'll be developed completely. Which is I'm glad to be part of history, because you can see what this area looked like before it was properly developed. So I'm going to land the drone now. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight of me flying in Victoria Park. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to speak to you in the next one.